What do you want to eat? That's what she's asking.
Hey, giving me pupuru at your tete. You is no pupuru. Kile one time be. You is no get pupuru.
Yeah.
We don't have it in our menu, ma.
You know what? Let me see.
Okay.
Let's have fried rice, chicken, and salad. And then very good bottle of wine. Huh?
Thank you, right away.
Hey, I no like onje do.
No.
I no have mouth to shopping sweet food.
It's nice. You really like it.
Oh,
You like it. Fried rice.
fled recipe.
Fried rice.
I do it for you.
Yes. Your glasses is. Do you want to maybe remove it?
My goju.
Yes.
Ah, goju ọmọ ọ̀daràn. I no removing it. It's go well with everything.
Bring your voice down.